Getting your journal entries into Xero is like giving your business a superpower. Importing journal entries into Xero streamlines your accounting processes, ensuring accuracy and saving valuable time, allowing you to focus on strategic decision-making and growth. Let's get started. We need a tool to simplify this task. At the top right corner, click on the waffle icon, often called the waffle iron menu, and select Find More Apps. This takes you to the Xero App Store, where you can find many useful add-ons for your Xero account. In the search bar, type Saasant Transactions. Click on the Saasant Transactions app to open its details. Here, you'll find a Get This App button. Click on it to integrate Saasant Transactions with your Xero account. Once connected, Saasant Transactions will provide a CSV template for importing your journal entry. Download this template. It's a spreadsheet designed to organize your journal data correctly. Next, fill in your journal details in the template. Remember, do not alter or delete the column headings in the file to avoid any errors during the import process. Let's get into the import process. After entering all the details, save the file in CSV format to ensure it's compatible with the Saasant Transactions import process. Upload the file and mapping. Back in Saasant Transactions, look for the option to select and upload the CSV file you've just saved. Choose Manual Journal as both the sheet type and entity type. Narration is a note in accounting that explains a transaction's purpose. Since we've used the Saasant template, columns like narration, date, description, and account code are automatically aligned with the appropriate fields in Xero. This means everything is set for a smooth import. However, if you need to adjust the column matching manually, you can easily modify it in this step to ensure the data fits your specific needs. After mapping the columns, validate the setup to ensure everything is correct. Review all details thoroughly. If everything looks good, proceed with the upload. Saasant Transactions will then present a summary of the import and highlight any transactions or entries that might need a second look. Review this information carefully to finalize the process. Here, Saasant Transactions identifies 2 errors. While syncing 35 transactions, 2 transactions caused trouble. Let's fix it fast. It's because of the total credit and debit mismatch. Luckily, Saasant Transactions doesn't leave us guessing. It points out exactly where the issue is. Let's quickly recorrect the total. There we go. Just enter the amount here. Now, all 35 transactions synced smoothly. To ensure everything is in order, check one of the response IDs in Xero, which will confirm the successful import of your contact. Now, you can successfully import your journal entry into Xero using Saasant Transactions.
Got a quick tip for you today on Saasant Transactions that could save you a lot of headaches.
Right here in Saasant, there's an Undo button. With just one click, you can reverse any transaction you've entered incorrectly. And there's more. After undoing, you can download the undo report to make sure everything you want to delete is gone. It's a perfect way to double-check and keep your record spotless. And there you have it. With Saasant Transactions, your days of manually entering data into Xero are over. It's the game changer for effortless, accurate, and quick data import. Why spend hours on manual entry when Saasant can handle it in minutes? Click the link below, start your free trial, and step into a world of accounting made easy.